So that's, like you guys can see, that's
Yeah.
the EasyThreed printer X2.
And now, I haven't forgot you guys from Instagram, so I will help out. And I will now change the camera here to
Yeah.
our great
So
instructor.
inside the box you have a small bag of tools, the USB stick, some filament, some sample, the filament, the spool holders, the USB cable. That's another part of the spool holder. And you have the printer. This printer is really easy to build. It's literally 2 screws. So I'm gonna take it. So that's a charger as well. Power. Take this. Okay, that's the EasyThreed X2. So on the bag of tools you have 2 longer screws with a little screwdriver. And you have 2 nuts in here as well. There it is for the Instagram. So how to build the EasyThreed X2. So you have in here the extruder, it's upside down. And here you have the base and the control. So really straightforward. Take the small cable, pass through the hole on the side and slide the printer. So remember that 2 long screws, you need 1 on each side. One here. And 1 on the other side. Right. The 2 nuts to hold everything together. And you can use the small screwdriver to tighten everything.
You also have another camera pointed at you now. So
Okay, cool.
So
Hi.
both.
Oh, I forgot my makeup, sorry guys. Okay, so everything sturdy. Remember that small cable, you guys. So you just connect into the small slot and that's it. The printer is built. So here we have the power supply. So let's connect. And there. And you can connect on the side of the printer. Okay. So like I say, this printer is really straightforward. Here you have the spool holder for the filament. You can attach in front of your printer. And with a small screwdriver, just tight. and you have this bar to hold the filament. Okay.